vitamin to eliminate swelling in feet and legs. You are enjoying your day, but before going to bed, you found that your body part is swelling too much. Isn't it horrible? And swelling feet, hand, head, or fingers may put you in trouble, but why to worry about all this? We are giving you the best of best treatment as of now. So be happy, just check it out. This full video. A person may experience swollen feet for several reasons, from hot weather or pregnancy to more serious health conditions like heart disease or a blood clot. Treatment for swollen feet depends on the underlying cause. If you are troubled by the problem of pain in the legs or the problem of swelling, then there may be a deficiency of these vitamins and minerals in the body. Therefore, if you are often troubled by the pain in the legs, then know which are those vitamins or minerals which are essential for you. There may be deficiency in the body. So friends, now you got the point that what problems causing swelling. Get ready to change your swellings, cry into a happiness now, because today you won't be crying sorrow, but you will be laughing such problem arise to you because you will be going to know the perfect treatment for all this problem after watching our video. So do not skip it for a second, just have a look. If you want to hold this proverb tight in your life, then don't forget to give us your precious subscribe to our this channel before moving to our this video. And be prepared for our last points, because in the last we'll tell you that how this swelling occur to you, while you are not facing even any type of problems, guys. Friends, the problem of pain in legs often persists in the body. Generally, people think that the reason for its occurrence is tiredness, but along with tiredness, there can be other main reasons as well, such as deficiency of vitamins, minerals, and magnesium in the body. So know that if the legs are often tired, then what could be the reasons behind it? And if these symptoms appear in the body, then these symptoms can be treated. You should not ignore it. There may be deficiency of vitamin B12 in the body, which cause? If there is deficiency of vitamin B12 in the body, then its effect starts appearing in your legs. Vitamin B12 improves the blood cells, while it also prevents the deficiency of blood in the body. Puts away. If there is deficiency of it, then problem of pain in legs can occur. Hence, you must consume foods containing it. Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is a very important mineral for our body. It helps our muscles and nerves work properly, keeps our blood sugar and blood pressure in check, and even helps build protein. But if we don't get enough magnesium, we can start to feel yucky. Some signs that you might be low on magnesium include muscle cramps and tightness, especially in your legs. You might also feel tired and weak all the time. In some cases, low magnesium can even affect your heart and make it beat irregularly. Other things you might notice include nausea, vomiting, and trouble sleeping. People with low magnesium may also be more prone to anxiety, depression, and high blood pressure. Because magnesium is important for bones too, not getting enough can make them weaker and more likely to break. There's even some research suggesting that low magnesium might be linked to migraines. If you're worried you might be deficient in magnesium, talk to your doctor. They can do a test to check your levels and recommend the best way to get more magnesium, whether through changes in your diet or by taking supplements. Iron deficiency. Talking about iron, you should consume things containing it in sufficient quantity. It is very helpful in keeping the body healthy. Talking about iron, if there is deficiency of it, then the body may have to face many problems. If there is deficiency of it in the body, then its effect is seen on your feet. Due to this, there may be pain in your legs, and there may also be difficulty in walking. Therefore, to relieve pain in legs, you can include iron-rich things in your diet. Deficiency of vitamin D. Talking about vitamin D, it is an important element of our body. Its consumption keeps the body healthy for a long time. But do you know that if its deficiency starts happening, then its symptoms can be seen in your feet? Due to its deficiency, the problem of pain in your feet may persist. Hence, you must consume things containing it. So now here, we take a look at some of the reasons why a person's feet may appear swollen, when they should talk to a doctor, and what the treatment might involve. Number 1. Edema. Edema is a condition where extra fluid builds up in your body's tissues, causing swelling. This swelling can happen anywhere, but it's most common in your legs, ankles, and feet. The main way to spot edema is swelling, but there can be other signs too. Your skin might feel tight and stretched, or it might leave a dent for a few seconds if you press on it. Doctors call this pitting edema. The swollen area might also be painful, tender, or achy. You could experience stiffness in your joints, or even gain weight quickly. In some cases, edema can cause shortness of breath if fluid builds up in your lungs, or abdominal pain if it builds up in your belly. There are many reasons why you might get edema. Some common ones include heart problems that make it hard for your heart to pump blood properly, or kidney problems that prevent your kidneys from getting rid of extra fluid. Liver disease can also cause edema, especially in the abdomen and legs. There's a condition called lymphedema that causes swelling due to problems with your lymphatic system, which is a network of vessels that drains fluid from your tissues. Pregnancy, premenstrual syndrome, PMS, and even certain medications can cause edema. Sitting or standing for too long, injuries, infections, and allergic reactions are other potential causes. The treatment for edema depends on what's causing it. In some cases, you might not need any treatment at all. But if there's an underlying medical condition, it's important to get that treated. There are things you can do to help reduce edema too, like elevating the swollen limbs, wearing compression stockings, taking medications called diuretics to get rid of extra fluid, and making lifestyle changes like reducing salt intake and exercising regularly. Number 2, foot or ankle injury. Trauma to the foot or ankle can cause swelling in this area of the body. For example, a sprained ankle, which occurs when the ligaments become overstretched, could cause the foot to swell. Treatment for this. To treat a foot or ankle injury, a person should elevate the foot when possible and try not to bear weight on the affected leg. Using an ice pack or compression bandage can help reduce swelling, and over-the-counter pain relievers can help ease discomfort. If the swelling and pain do not go away, a person might need to see their doctor to rule out more severe damage. Number 3, pregnancy. A common symptom of late pregnancy is for the feet and ankles to swell. This swelling is due to fluid retention and increased pressure on the veins. Home remedies and treatment for this. To treat swollen feet during pregnancy, women can elevate their feet where possible, wear comfortable and supportive footwear, and avoid standing for extended periods. Staying cool, avoiding salt, and increasing water intake can help reduce fluid retention. Wearing supportive clothing, such as tights or compression stockings, should also reduce discomfort and help the swelling decrease. Number 4, preeclampsia. If swelling during pregnancy comes on suddenly and is severe, it could be a sign of preeclampsia. This is a condition that can occur during pregnancy or immediately after the birth. Symptoms include protein in the urine, rapid excessive fluid retention, and high blood pressure. This is a medical emergency that usually occurs in the latter half of pregnancy and can progress to eclampsia, which is even more dangerous and constitutes a medical emergency. Signs of preeclampsia include severe swelling, headaches, dizziness, nausea and vomiting, vision changes, less frequent urination, high blood pressure, seizures. Treatment for this. If a pregnant woman experiences any of these symptoms, she should speak with her doctor or midwife straight away. Number 5, lifestyle factors. Some lifestyle factors can also lead to swollen feet. These factors include having a sedentary lifestyle, being overweight, wearing ill-fitting shoes, consuming a diet high in salt, home remedies, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight can reduce the risk of swollen feet. Other ways to alleviate swollen feet include wearing compression socks or stockings, soaking the feet in cool water, raising the feet above the heart regularly, staying active, losing weight if overweight, eating a healthy diet and being mindful of salt intake, massaging the feet. Number 6, a side effect of medication. Taking certain medications can result in the feet swelling, especially if they cause water retention. Medications that may cause the feet to swell include Hormones, such as estrogen and testosterone calcium channel blockers, that help control blood pressure steroids, both androgenic and anabolic, and corticosteroids, antidepressants, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, medication to help manage diabetes. Anyone who thinks that their medication is causing their feet to swell should speak with a doctor who may be able to alter the dosage or prescribe a different type of medication. Number 7. Alcohol. Alcohol can cause the body to retain excess water, causing the feet to swell. If the swelling continues for more than 2 days, a person should make an appointment with their doctor. Recurrent swelling of the feet after drinking alcohol may be a sign of an underlying issue with the heart, liver, or kidneys. Home remedies. Elevating the feet above the heart, drinking plenty of water, and reducing salt intake may all help minimize swelling. Soaking the feet in cold water can also relieve symptoms. Number 8. Hot weather. During hot weather, the feet can swell trusted source because their veins expand to cool the body. This process can cause fluid to leak into the surrounding tissue. Fluid can also collect in the ankles and feet. Home remedies. Drinking plenty of water and wearing well-fitting, comfortable shoes that allow some ventilation can help prevent the feet from swelling in warm weather. Compression stockings may also help. Number 9. Infection. An infection can cause swelling in the feet and ankles. People with diabetes have an increased risk of infection affecting their feet, so they should remain vigilant for any changes to this part of the body, such as blisters and sores appearing. Treatment: a doctor will typically prescribe antibiotics to treat infections. It can also be a serious condition that requires emergency treatment to prevent more serious infection of the blood. Number 10. Venous insufficiency. Venous insufficiency occurs when venous blood does not return to the heart and pools in the legs. This is due to damaged valves causing blood to leak down the vessels. This can cause fluid retention in the lower legs, particularly around the feet and ankles. Signs of venous insufficiency includes achy legs, skin changes, skin ulcers, infection treatment. A person experiencing any signs of venous insufficiency should make an appointment with their doctor as soon as possible. To treat venous insufficiency, a doctor may recommend making some lifestyle changes, such as taking up exercise to help keep the blood pumping around the body efficiently. Compression stockings and medication to prevent blood clots can also help. In some cases, a doctor may suggest surgery to try to repair the damaged valves. Number 11. Blood clot. Blood clots occur when the blood fails to flow around the body correctly, causing platelets to stick together. If blood clots develop in the leg veins, they may prevent the blood from moving back to the heart. This can cause the ankles and feet to swell. Deep vein thrombosis occurs when blood clots form deep in the legs. This is a serious condition that can cause a blockage in the major leg veins. In some cases, the clots may break loose and move to the heart or lungs. Signs of this includes swelling in one leg, pain or discomfort in the leg, low-grade fever, color changes in the leg. Treatment for this. If a person notices any signs of this, then they should seek urgent medical attention. A doctor may prescribe blood-thinning medication to treat blood clots. People can help prevent blood clots by wearing tights, compression stockings, or clothing that is loose-fitting around the ankles. Other prevention methods include keeping active and reducing salt intake. It is also best to avoid standing or sitting still, especially with crossed legs for extended periods. Number 12. Lymphedema. The lymphatic system helps the body get rid of unwanted substances such as bacteria and toxins. Lymphedema occurs when lymphatic fluid gathers in the tissues as a result of problems with the lymph vessels. If the lymph vessels are damaged or absent, lymphatic fluid can build up and lead to infection, slow wound healing, and even deformity. People who undergo radiation therapy or lymph node removal have a higher risk of lymphedema. Anyone who has undergone cancer treatment and experiences swelling should contact their doctor immediately. As well as swelling of the feet, signs of lymphedema includes recurrent infections, impaired motion, aching. a feeling of tightness or heaviness, thickening of the skin. Treatment for this treatment options for lymphedema include exercises and targeted massage, which can both help drain the excess fluid. Wearing bandages or compression garments may also be beneficial. Number 13. Heart disease. Swelling of the feet could be a sign of heart disease or heart failure. If the heart is damaged, it cannot pump blood to the heart efficiently. Right-sided heart failure can cause the body to retain salt and water, resulting in swollen feet. As well as swelling of the legs, ankles, and feet, symptoms of heart failure include shortness of breath, particularly when exercising or lying down, rapid heartbeat, weakness, fatigue, coughing or wheezing, white or pink, blood-tinged phlegm, abdominal swelling, rapid weight gain from fluid retention, loss of appetite, nausea or vomiting difficulty, concentrating, or confusion. Treatment for this. If a person experiences any of the above symptoms, they should seek immediate medical attention. Treatment options for heart failure include trusted source medications, medical devices to help support the heart, and surgery. Number 14. Kidney disease. People with poorly functioning kidneys may be unable to flush out fluid, which can build up in the body. Kidney disease may not present any symptoms until it is severe and the kidneys are beginning to fail. Signs and symptoms of kidney failure includes less frequent urination, shortness of breath, drowsiness or fatigue, pain or pressure in the chest, seizures, nausea, confusion. Coma treatment for this trusted source for kidney disease include medication, a low-protein diet, and supplements of vitamin D and calcium. The treatment options for kidney failure include dialysis or a kidney transplant. Number 15. Liver disease. Liver disease can inhibit the production of albumin. Albumin is a protein that helps stop the blood leaking from blood vessels. A lack of albumin means that the blood may leak, causing fluid to pool in the legs and feet, which can result in swelling. Symptoms of liver disease includes jaundice, in which the skin and eyes turn yellow, dark urine, bruising easily, loss of appetite, skin itching, lack of energy, nausea or vomiting, tender, swollen abdomen, pale, bloody, or tar-colored stools. Treatment for this to treat liver disease. A doctor may prescribe medication. They may also suggest lifestyle changes, such as losing weight or reducing alcohol intake. In more severe cases of liver disease, surgery may be necessary. We hope that you liked this information greatly, and let us remind you that our whole information, including in every videos, was finest. And if you want all that great information, then quickly subscribe this channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it with your family, friends, and loving ones dear. Thank you.